DJI Air 3, major leak. Got that coming up next. Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. Today is June 29th, 2023, and we had a major leak regarding the DJI Air 3. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. Good afternoon, everyone. Got some major leaks regarding the DJI Air 3. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and share those. Now, the first one was from Igor out on Twitter. And as you can see right here, this is a UPC symbol with the serial number, made in China, and the year, month, day on that. Looks like 2023-5, which would have been May. You see up at the top, it says DJI Air 3 Fly More Combo, DJI RC2 with a DJI RC2. Now, there was some additional information. Both Drone XL and Drone DJ had that information. So I'm going to share this from Drone XL. DJI Air 3 leak, dual cameras, increased flight time and pricing. Okay. We're going to just jump right into it. And you can see these are high quality images that were obtained. According to Hai Kestalu, he was able to get these from Win Future, a website known for its early DJI releases. Okay. The battery, another upgrade was visible in the photos, of beefier battery. The DJI Air 3 boasts a battery capacity of 4241 milliamp hours or 62.6 watt hours, which is a hefty 30% increase from the Air 2 and Air 2S. This enhancement should notably extend the flight time of the new drone. Okay. Now, the pictures show the main selling point of the DJI Air 3 is its dual camera system. DJI's integration of two sensors in the camera, similar to what we have seen in the more expensive Mavic 3 series. The specs of the cameras are unknown at this point in time. Okay. Notably, though, DJI Air 3 lacks partnership with Swedish camera specialist Hasselblad, as seen as the Mavic 3 models, as evidenced by missing Hasselblad logo on the Air 3's camera unit. Okay. Now, here's the DJI Air 3 pricing. Despite the speculation, there doesn't seem to be a drone-only package for the DJI Air 3. Instead, DJI intends to pair it with 1 to 2 different controllers, the DJI RC2 and the DJI RCN2. Furthermore, they plan to offer various bundles, including a Fly More combo that provides 2 extra batteries and other add-ons. Prices for the Air 3 have already surfaced due to an inadvertent listing by Amazon UK. The DJI Air 3 with the RCN2 controller is tagged at 962 pounds or 1,212 US dollars. The DJI Air 3 Fly More combo with a DJI RCN2 controller comes in at 1,199 pounds or 1,510 US dollars, while the same combo with the RC2 controller is priced at 1,379 pounds or 1,736 US dollars. And there's pictures of both of those right there. In conclusion, the Air 3 with its new dual camera system and enhanced battery life promises to be a worthy, budget-friendly addition to the drone market. And the DJI Air 3 will likely be the best value drone for almost any drone enthusiast. We can't wait to get our hands on one. Okay, a couple of things to note here. There was talk, and you can take a look here. This is the standard controller. There's no telemetry here. We had hopes of maybe gaining a screen with some basic telemetry function on that controller. That is not here. That is noticeably absent here. The other thing that I want to call to your attention is the pricing here. All right. It's a little more expensive than I thought this was going to be. It looks like a base package with a base controller is going to run $1,212 US dollars. And then and obviously it steps up considerably when you're getting the Fly More combo and adding the upgraded controller, the RC2 controller here. That's $1,700, and you're not that far away at that point from a Mavic 3 Classic. I just want to provide that information out there. So wanted to get this information out to you because as you see, when these leaks start coming out faster and in rapid fashion, release is imminent. So, and especially with the leak that we saw from Igor regarding the UPC number and serial number out there, they have been made. They're ready to go. It's just a matter of whenever DJI decides to go ahead and pull the trigger and release that. So stay tuned for all that information to build a drone reviewer. Wanted to get this out here to you. Hope you guys are having a great day. And as always, everyone, it's a great day to fly. Take care, everybody. Question of the day. What did you think of the DJI Air 3 major leak? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching. And remember, it's a great day to fly.